Today's video is on the top 3 best backpack vacuums. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Atrix Ergo Hepa Backpack Vacuum. Ready to tackle the toughest cleaning tasks with ease? Meet the ergonomic backpack vacuum. Your ultimate cleaning companion, designed to tackle everything from small residential jobs to heavy-duty commercial applications. Weighing in at just over 10 pounds and measuring 12 inches by 9 inches by 20 inches, this vacuum offers the perfect balance between power and comfort. It's lightweight enough to carry for long periods without feeling burdened, and its ergonomic design lets you adjust the straps and even convert them for either right or left shoulder carry, giving you complete control over your comfort. With its accessible belt loop, you'll have easy storage for all your essential accessories, keeping every tool within arm's reach so you can switch tasks effortlessly. This backpack vacuum is a go-to choice for anyone needing a professional-grade cleaner, whether it's for a hotel, school, office, warehouse, or other commercial space. Need to clean narrow stairwells, entryways, or those pesky corners that are hard to reach? This vacuum makes it easy, even in cramped or awkward spaces. The compact design and strategic weight distribution keep you balanced as you move, making it an excellent choice for cleaning multi-story buildings or navigating narrow hallways without being slowed down by bulky equipment. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its 8-quart Hepa filter. This isn't just any filter. It's designed to capture the tiniest particles, making it a fantastic choice for environments where air quality is a priority. Hepa filters are known for their effectiveness in trapping allergens, dust, and even microscopic particles, keeping the air in your space cleaner and healthier with every use. Whether you're managing a high-traffic area in a commercial setting or simply want a cleaner, fresher home environment, this feature adds a layer of cleanliness that other vacuums just can't match. The attachments included with this vacuum give you an entire toolkit for any job. Inside you'll find a 6-foot hose that lets you reach distant or high-up areas with ease, a blower adapter to switch functions in a snap, an exhaust filter cover for added air protection, and an extension wand to tackle high ceilings, vents, and more. Multiple nozzle sets and brushes let you customize your approach, allowing you to get deep into carpet fibers, slide along baseboards, or even dust off delicate surfaces without missing a spot. The set also includes both Hepa and shakeout bags, along with additional filter sets, hose plugs, and filter plugs to make sure you have everything you need on hand. When it comes to power, the vacuum packs a punch with a 1400-watt motor, delivering 106 cubic feet per minute of suction. Not only is it a strong vacuum, but with the included blower adapter and 3 blower nozzles, it easily converts to a powerful blower as well. So whether you're vacuuming or blowing debris, this ergonomic backpack vacuum is ready to be your all-in-one cleaning solution. Hit that subscribe button like you're trying to vacuum up the last crumb from your couch. Number 2, best overall. Hoover Backpack Bagged Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a vacuum that's powerful, portable, and doesn't leave you feeling drained? The Hoover Commercial Backpack Vacuum has been crafted with convenience and performance in mind. Weighing in at less than 10 pounds, this lightweight vacuum makes maneuvering around obstacles a breeze, letting you clean more areas with less fatigue. It's designed to feel almost effortless, whether you're tackling narrow passageways, small spaces, or open areas. Cleaning becomes easier, faster, and, most importantly, comfortable. One of the standout features of the vacuum is its ultra-quiet operation. This vacuum lets you tidy up without disturbing the environment around you, making it ideal for settings where noise can be a distraction, like offices, hospitals, or even at home while others are resting. Say goodbye to the days of sacrificing peace and quiet for cleanliness. The Hoover Commercial Backpack Vacuum allows you to work in harmony with your surroundings. The vacuum's high-performance Hepa media filter captures an impressive 99.97% of dirt, dust, and pollen down to as small as 0.3 microns. This means cleaner air and less chance of allergens spreading around your home or workspace. For those with sensitivities or anyone wanting to improve air quality, this feature makes a noticeable difference. The Hepa filter, paired with Hoover's powerful suction, delivers a thorough, effective clean in every room. Your comfort while cleaning is also a top priority with this backpack vacuum. Its chiropractor-designed harness is crafted to reduce strain on your back and shoulders, enhancing portability and ease of movement. It's designed for long cleaning sessions so you can move freely and comfortably without the usual soreness that comes with traditional, heavier vacuum models. This thoughtful design lets you clean longer without feeling the need to rest or switch hands constantly. When it comes to reach, the Hoover vacuum shines with its extra long, quick change cord. You can move seamlessly from room to room without needing to search for an outlet as often, saving you time and keeping your cleaning momentum going. If you're someone who needs to clean larger areas or multiple rooms in one go, this feature is a huge plus, and Hoover has packed this model with handy accessories too. You'll find a 6-inch crevice tool, an 11-inch turbo floor tool, a 2-inch dusting brush, and a 4-inch upholstery tool in the box. Everything you need for a versatile clean. The vacuum canister even holds up to 6.4 quarts of debris, and the clear dome lid lets you know exactly when it's time to empty it. You can use it with a shakeout cloth liner or opt for a disposable paper bag insert, giving you flexibility with every clean. In short, the Hoover Backpack Vacuum is a powerful and portable cleaning companion that won't weigh you down. Number 1, our pick. ProTeam Backpack Vacuums. Ready to take on those heavy-duty cleaning tasks? This industrial vacuum backpack has been crafted for serious messes, coming loaded with all the accessories you need to tackle hard floors, carpets, and those hard-to-reach spaces around tables and chairs. Whether it's dust in corners or crumbs on the carpet, this vacuum brings an impressive 159 cubic feet per minute airflow, clearing surfaces quickly and efficiently. Plus, with a noise level of just 65.8 decibels, it's powerful, yet quiet enough for any environment. The 4-level filtration system spans over 1,000 square inches, capturing even the tiniest particles and keeping allergens in check. Comfort is key when you're on the job for extended periods, and this vacuum has you covered. The adjustable flex fit harness is engineered to make your cleaning experience as comfortable as possible, especially during those long cleaning sessions. The harness comes with extra padding to prevent any strain, while the open weave fabric helps keep you cool by allowing better airflow to your back and shoulders. With a decibel level of 69.7 and a static lift of 91 inches, this vacuum combines comfort with serious power, making even the toughest cleaning jobs a breeze. If you're covering a large area and don't want the hassle of constantly finding new outlets, this vacuum's 50-foot power cord has you covered. It's long enough to let you move freely across expensive kitchens, dining rooms, or any large space without needing to unplug and replug constantly. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to seamless, uninterrupted cleaning. And it doesn't just remove dirt from surfaces, it actively improves air quality as well. With a robust 4-level advanced filtration system that includes a Hepa media filter, it captures a remarkable 99.9% of particles as tiny as 0.3 microns. That includes allergens, dust, and food debris, all of which are captured before they can re-enter the air, creating a cleaner, healthier environment for everyone. This industrial vacuum backpack is truly ideal for the fast-paced food service industry. It's a game changer for high-traffic spaces like restaurants, bars, nightclubs, kitchens, school cafeterias, and hotels. With an airflow of 153 CFM, it's built for heavy use, designed to last, and engineered to perform. Whether you're dealing with a bustling restaurant or a busy school cafeteria, this vacuum will help you keep the place fresh, spotless, and ready for action. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.